check your phone. Ignore the alarm, you're still alone. Wake up, rewind the night. Smoke till you feel numb. Check your phone. Check your phone. Check, 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 dial the tone. Drink until it feels right. Drink until it feels right. Check your phone. Check your phone. Check your phone. Wake up to the American dream. Cherry Coke in the bathroom of a club. Influence you. Check your phone. Get some new clothes. Not sure where to begin. Still stuck in my own skin. Dennis Rodman, 96, 97, even 99. What a time to be alive. Start a podcast, become a DJ. Try and fill the void inside. I'd be lying if I didn't say that sounds nice. Wake up, check your phone. But the battery's died. Wake up, check your phone. Brush your teeth, count your calories. Single-use plastic, how tragic. Fake friends, real problems. Check your phone, but you're still alone. Wake up. Bees are dying off. It's kinda sad. Oh, my bad. Can I have a +1? Look directly in the sun. Get on the dance floor. Put your hands in the air. 24/7. Loneliness. Live stream. No regrets.
Check your phone.
Let's buy a little white house on the corner of nothing and nowhere. We'll grow tomatoes and drink mojitos on the front porch stairs. And you can walk around in your flip-flops while I sit and watch the passing clouds. Then we'll be off to bed and we will wake up in a little while. I couldn't make our bed and keep you fed if we could run away. This house could be our hideaway. Where, oh, where could it be? And let's leave our little brick house on the corner of busy and restless. We'll move away from the city into each other. That is where we belong.
I heard about you long before we met. You're winsome and you're young, at least that's what they said. Underneath your glitter and your gold, you can't deny the fact that you are growing old. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty. I haven't gotten used to your scent. I'm certain you have had another cigarette. Nothing could prepare me for your style. The way your laughter seemed to go for miles and miles. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty. Doopy doompa wumba wee da dum